Hello pawb, hi all, I'm Una from CDPS, working as a service designer on the planning project. Just a quick update on where we are at the moment with the planning project. We're almost done with the discovery phase and now focusing on recruiting agents and householders for users, interviews and research. This week we've reached out to 38 agents for research interviews, hoping for positive response. We've also reached out to local planning authorities for supporting engaging householders. In other news, we finished validating all our service and journey maps, collaborating with 4 local planning authorities, mainly focusing on the pre-application as-is process for now. Last week, Joe, our head of user-centered design, met with POSU, and excitingly, Tom Evans from Swansea Council was nominated to collaborate with us on engaging and securing partnership for the next phase. Tom Evans, as the new chair of POSU, is a great step forward for us, as we've been eager to connect with them since the start of this project. While all this is happening, my colleague Tom Brame is leading the recruitment charge. Meanwhile, the rest of the team is refining the scope of planning our approach for the pre-application process in the alpha phase. That's all for me for this week, and thanks to everyone for listening. Wishing you all a fantastic day ahead. Diolch yn fawr. Bye.